Very quick and shitty sound comparison from the back rooms of this Data General with Acer Semi-Mechanicals and this AK1 with Clicky White Alps. In general, the Acer Semi-Mechanicals tend to be a little bit higher pitched and powdery and a little rattly almost. Not in a bad way, just they are. Whereas the SKCM whites are a little more put together, but the click isn't quite as sharp. And now just the click. It's a little sharper, more put together on the Acer Semi-Mechanicals. Overall, both are very nice. Neither is quite as sort of tight and put together as the Huaji AKCM.